March your team into spring with a next level away day. I'm Aidan, a venue expert at Wallacespace, and these are the top venues to really shake up your team bonding this season. This one is a little different. Spread across a beautifully airy converted factory space, Wallacespace St Pancras is a real treat for the adventurous. Its 5 floors of flexible and highly innovative meeting areas will have your creative juices flowing like wild. Plus, you can even bring your dog along. Next up, the gorgeous Tudor Barn Eltham in the heart of its own 13 acres of parkland. Perfect for immersing in history, this venue offers outdoor team building spaces and an atmospheric Tudor gallery, sure to make your away day feel like a grand escape from the city. Another one is 83 Rivington Street, a vibrant and new hub in the heart of Shoreditch. It retains all of its gorgeous industrial charm with its exposed brick, Victorian railway arches, but with incredible Wi-Fi, comfortable seating, and fast-flowing ideas. It's sure to impress. Let's not forget about QEII. Boasting over 32 rooms spread across 7 floors, there's more than enough space to gather everyone in one place. And with sweeping views over 10 of the city's best sites, it's sure to inspire some next level blue sky thinking. The sky's the limit. To round off our list is Ish Venues, on the edge of Regent Park, with an enviable location, amazing spaces for up to 500 guests, a stunning view of the city, and an on-site caterer. There's never been an easier choice for your next away day. And that concludes March's top venue picks. Which would you pick? To see more inspiring venues like this, head over to higherspace.com.